People in Jonesborough went without water for days during the Arctic freeze back in December. Now the town of Jonesborough could be in line to get up to $500,000 in federal disaster aid that can help prevent future problems.
We was expecting this to get approved when the disaster was happening back in December, so our staff has been accumulating those numbers, so we're looking forward to getting reimbursed for some of those expenses we had during the disaster.
Money could be used for repairs to the water system.
For the most part, it's going to be some of the temporary patches we made to our water lines out there. They do hold up very well, but to make a permanent repairs to those lines is probably the first and foremost is what we'd like to see done.
And they are looking at changes to the water plant.
One is having a better backup system in place, and then also just periodically going through and replacing some of the oldest lines that we have. That was something we were doing anyway. We've also got a replacement meter program already in place, and we're about halfway done with that.
Also, preventative measures to track leaks to ensure that their wastewater systems adequately meet demand.
So having better water meters out there now will allow us to pinpoint these leaks faster, so that would be very helpful in the future.
Additional designations could be added on a later date if further assessment is needed or if they're requested by state. In Jonesborough, Katrina O'Brien, News Channel 11.
And the town of Jonesborough says it's hoping to get reimbursed as much as 75% to 80% of what their expenses were sometime this year.